How to repost a story on Instagram. Most Instagram posts made by public accounts might be shared as a part of your Instagram story in your followers to see. That is the one official solution to share a put-up made by different folks on Instagram, and it is well liked as a consequence of its simplicity and the way it hyperlinks again to the unique creator. Open the Instagram app in your iOS or Android gadget and find the Instagram put-up you need to share. Faucet the paper airplane icon greater than add put up to your story. In case you do not see add put up to your story, both the account is not public or they've disabled put up resharing. The put up now seems embedded in a brand new Instagram story. Now you can add the standard GIFs, textual content, and music. Faucet your story to publish as a brand new Instagram story. The way to share an Instagram story on your personal account. Whereas it is attainable to share some Instagram tales made by others to your followers, it should meet some necessities. The account should be public. You possibly can't share a narrative from a private Instagram account. It should have Instagram story sharing enabled. That you must be tagged within the story. While you're tagged in an Instagram story, you will obtain a DM through Instagram Direct notifying you. If the account tagging you is public and permits sharing of their content material, it is best to see a hyperlink within the message, to repost this story inside a brand new story in your account. Faucet add this to your story, after which proceed with the directions from above. You don't have to observe the account to repost considered one of their Instagram tales. The way to repost an Instagram story if you're not tagged. Whereas there are quite a few third-party apps that allow you to repost another person's Instagram posts, there aren't any that help the reposting of Instagram tales. Nevertheless, one solution to get around this restriction is to make use of your gadget's screenshot or display screen recording options. You possibly can take a screenshot on an iOS device or Android device while not having extra apps. For instance, you may take a screenshot of another person's Instagram story when you're watching it, after which add that screenshot to a brand new story. Likewise, you need to use display screen recording to file an Instagram story video, then repost that video in your individual story. When recording another person's Instagram story through a display screen recording, the recorded video additionally comprises UI components from the Instagram app. You possibly can take away these through the use of 2 fingers to maneuver and resize the video whereas composing a new story. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.